Deputy Speaker, sir, thank you for allowing me to participate in this cut motion tabled by Dr. Mukul Sangma, Honorable Allo, and Shri Brightwell Star Marvanian, Honorable MLA. Already much have been deliberated. I don't have any much to say here. I'll be very brief and it will be my constituency centric. Sir, in my constituency, Rajabala police station is there. I just want to share with the Honorable Minister, sir, that the condition of the building is very bad. Even the lock-up facilities that are there, that is also in unacceptable condition. During flood times, it is very difficult to even go to the police station. And also, there are no adequate quarters for the staff of the police station. So I request the Honorable Deputy CM, sir, through you, to kindly look into the building aspect of the police station and to provide adequate quarters for the staffs. And secondly, as we all know, that these days crime against women is a very, very increasing factor. And mine being in the plain belt area, there are a lot of incidences of crime against women. But unfortunately, in Rajabala police station, there is no WPSI. Rajabala is around 80 kilometers from Tura. So in case of even the smallest complaint, our people have to go to Tura police station to address their issue. So I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to kindly sanction WPSI at the earliest to Rajabala police station. Thirdly, I am aware that one fire and emergency services has been sanctioned within Rajabala area, and I think land also is already been acquired. As we know that Rajabala area is prone to fire incidents every year. So I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to kindly expedite the construction and operation of these Rajabala fire and emergency services so that people of that area can be benefited. And fourthly, through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I want to request our Honorable Deputy CM, sir, to kindly create a police outpost under Rajabala police station in Vadagogiri area, because that falls between Fulbari and Rajabala. So it becomes difficult to manage that area from either Rajabala or Fulbari area. So I would like to request him to kindly consider creating a police outpost in Vadagogiri area. That's my humble submission, and with this submission I resume my seat. Thank you, Deputy Speaker, sir.